It got cold fast tonight, and we realized we were out of firewood.
From the block to the barn, we make it our own farm life diary.
So before calling it a night, we handled it the only way we know how. Pick up the axe and get to work. Hey guys, listen to Sean and I's dialogue about the position of the axe. He wanted me to take a still picture. I thought it was so funny. I ended up taking a picture.
Gotta take a still picture.
I'm not taking a still picture.
Supposed to take a still picture of that.
Too funny, guys. Hey, from the block to the barn, we make it work. This is Farm Life Diaries. Hey guys, thanks for watching Farm Life Diaries, Urban Fusion. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube
City
channel.
to the country, this is where it begins. From the block to the barn, we make it our own